Hello guys, Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to redefine smartphone design with its sleek and refined aesthetic. Featuring flatter sides and gently rounded corners, the device strikes a perfect balance between form and function. This thoughtful design not only enhances its visual appeal, but also contributes to a more comfortable grip, thanks to a notable 14-gram weight reduction compared to its predecessor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to boast even smaller bezels and a larger screen-to-body ratio, further immersing users in their content. Every aspect of the design has been meticulously crafted to ensure a harmonious blend of aesthetics and usability, making the device a pleasure to hold and interact with. Building upon the impressive camera capabilities of its predecessor, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is anticipated to retain the renowned 200-megapixel main sensor. This sensor is renowned for its exceptional detail and color accuracy, ensuring stunning photographs in various lighting conditions. Additionally, the device will introduce a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens designed to capture more expansive scenes with precision and clarity. While these enhancements may not constitute a revolutionary overhaul, they will undoubtedly contribute to incremental improvements in image quality, solidifying the Galaxy S25 Ultra's position as a top-tier photography device. Samsung's rumored shift from Exynos to Snapdragon processors for the Galaxy S25 series marks a significant strategic decision. This move promises a substantial performance upgrade, as Snapdragon chips are known for their powerful capabilities. By adopting Snapdragon across all markets, Samsung can provide a consistent and enhanced user experience. According to early benchmarks, the Snapdragon chip might even beat Apple's A18 Pro, securing the Galaxy S25 series' place as the industry leader in smartphones. With smooth multitasking, quick app loads, and outstanding system responsiveness made possible by this potential performance gain, power users and tech enthusiasts will find the Galaxy S25 series to be an appealing choice. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is anticipated to have a powerful 5,000 mAh battery that can be quickly recharged with 45 watts fast charging, providing longer battery life. There are rumors that the standard model will feature a 4,000 mAh battery, but the Plus model might have a 4,900 mAh battery to accommodate a wider range of customer requirements. Because of the more powerful battery AI features and more efficient processor, it is projected that the entire series would have longer battery life. By implementing these changes, power consumption will be intelligently managed, resulting in longer battery life and less frequent recharging. Because customers can use their devices without interruption, the Galaxy S25 series is a great option for people looking for dependable, all-day performance. Like the Pixel 9 series, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is believed to have state-of-the-art satellite connectivity that will revolutionize communication by offering seamless connectivity even in places with spotty network service. Furthermore, the smartphone might include an amazing 16 GB of RAM, which would allow for smooth performance and multitasking. In addition, it is anticipated that the series would use next-generation UFS storage technology, which will bring quicker load times and more effective on-device AI apps. The entire responsiveness of the system will be much improved by this cutting-edge storage solution, giving consumers a more seamless and intuitive experience. Samsung is positioned to redefine smartphone capabilities and push the limits of what is possible on a mobile device by including these cutting-edge technologies. It is anticipated that the Galaxy S25 series would stick to the same pricing structure as its predecessors. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is developing into a powerful gadget because to its enhanced camera system, powerful performance increase, and longer battery life. Does Samsung's most recent flagship deserve all the excitement? Watch this space for additional information and our comprehensive review.